Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates. Today we will start a new chapter, Electrical Conductors and Insulators. The topic we will discuss today are: which materials conduct electricity? Does water conduct electricity? Do different metals conduct electricity equally well? And choosing the right material for electrical appliances. So let's get started. Which material conducts electricity? We have already learned that a battery or a cell is a store of energy. The chemical energy is converted to electric energy, and we can use different appliances using this energy. The electricity is transferred by the wires, and when connected to an appliance, it forms a circuit. We know that the wires are made up of metals. This means that metals conduct electricity or allow electricity to pass through. So, we can say that materials that allow electricity to pass through are known as conductors. The outer cover of the wire is made up of plastic. When we touch the plastic, we do not get electric shock, or the electricity passing through the metal wire is not transferred from the plastic cover to our hands. This is because plastic is an insulator, which means the material that do not allow electricity to pass through are known as insulator. All electrical appliances are made up of both insulator and conductors. Does water conduct electricity? Is water pure? Water from a river or a tap is not pure. This means there are many things dissolved or mixed in the water from a river or a tap. Pure water is distilled water. Distilled water is the water which is boiled and forms steam, which again forms water. You may have noticed when we cook food or cover some hot food or tea, there are drops of water in the inner side of the cover. This water is distilled water. A pure water does not conduct electricity, while an impure water or the water in a tap or a river will conduct electricity, as it has salts dissolved, which will help in conducting electricity. Do different metals conduct electricity equally well? Current is the rate at which the electric charge flow, which means how much electricity is flowing through the material. We measure current in the unit called amperes, or amps for short. We use an instrument called a multimeter to measure current. The connectors in the multimeter is attached to the object and the reading is shown in the screen. Metals conduct electricity, but some conduct electricity well while some conduct less. Many objects are made up of a combination of different metals. These are called alloys. Stainless steel is a mixture of iron, nickel, and chromium. Brass is a mixture of copper and tin. Choosing the right material for electrical appliances. It is very important to choose the right material for electrical appliance because a person can get electric shock if the appliance is made up of only metals or conductors, and an electric appliance will not work if it is only made up of insulator. So, both conductors and insulators are needed to make an electrical appliance. For example, our wires are made up of copper wires and plastic cover to protect us from electric shock. Similarly, the switch has a plastic cover and uses metal parts to connect the electricity. It is also important to choose the correct conductor or insulator for safety purpose, as different materials behave differently with electricity. We must be careful while operating an electric appliance. If we get electric shock, we will be badly burnt. Our heart could stop or we could die. Damaged electrical wiring is the major cause of electric accidents. If the plastic cover is broken, the wire will be in the open and causes electric shock or short circuit. Here are some precautions we can take. Never place an electric wire under a carpet. When people walk on the carpet, the plastic wears off the copper wires. When copper wire touches each other, electricity flows between them and this can start a fire. Never pull a plug out like this. This damages the cord and the wires become bare. Grip the plug to pull it out of the socket. Turn off the switch before you pull out the plug. This is all we have for today. We will continue with the chapter in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.